Welcome my dear students. So today we are going to solve the warming up in text question and workshop of the lesson Revolutionary Steps and the Surgery, that is from standard 8. Let us begin first with warming up. Okay, here first the question starts with discuss in your own class, do you like to study science? Of course, I like to study science. Next one is, what are the advantages of learning science? The advantage of learning science are, we get to know about the beauty of nature and the surrounding that we live in. It makes us aware about disease and various natural calamities so that we can take precautionary measures. We get knowledge about the different phenomena taking place around us. Example, rotation of earth, water cycle, twinkling of stars, formations of cloud, etc. Okay. Next one is, are robots truly useful to human being? Why? Why not? Yes, robots are useful to human being because they can perform tasks as instructed by humans through a program and help in reducing their workload. Okay. Next one. How can we take help of robots in our daily life? In daily life, we can use robots to perform daily chores like washing utensils, cleaning up the house, filling water in a bucket, etc. Okay? Robots are actually very useful. Next one, name some gadgets and appliances that we use in day-to-day life. Some gadgets and appliances that we use in our day-to-day life are laptops, air conditioners, washing machine, cell phones and televisions. Okay, so these are some of the gadgets and appliances that we use in our day-to-day life. Next we can see is, what health problem did you suffer from? And that is, we can write according to what we have gone through. Here they have given, I had fractured my ankle while playing hockey. Whom did you inform about it? Our school hockey coach. What type of doctor did you consult? I consult an orthopedic surgeon. Okay. How did he or she find out that you needed surgery? The doctor took an X-ray of my ankle and he found a fracture in my ankle. Last is, what preparation was done before the surgery? I was given a bath and I wore a surgical gown. Okay. So this was the preparation done. Next one, how did you feel when you were taken to the operation theatre? I was very nervous. What was the first step before the actual surgery? I was given an injection of anaesthesia. Did you feel any pain during the surgery? No, I did not feel anything. Did you feel any pain during the surgery? No, I did not feel anything. I was fast asleep. What did you feel when you opened your eyes after the operation? I was relieved and happy that my operation was over. How soon did you recover? I recovered and I could walk normally after 3 weeks. Okay. Next is, the thief stole the money and he ran away. So here the first clause is, the thief stole the money. The second clause is, he ran away, and the word conjunction is and. Next is, she told that she was a doctor. She told me, one clause, she was a doctor, another clause, and that is the conjunction. Next is, he ran fast but he did not win the race. He ran fast, first clause. He did not win the race, second clause. And here, but is the conjunction. The traveler arrived at the station after the train had left. So the traveler arrived at the station, first clause. After the train had left, second clause. And after is the conjunction. Okay. So here, this was the conjunction and two clauses were given. Next one is, here the next topic is, here we have to find out the coordinators, where two sentences are joined by one word. Okay, so let us begin. I was given a bath and I wore a surgical gown. So here the two sentence is being joined by one word, is that and. Okay, so and is a conjunction and rest two are the sentence coordinate clause. Okay, I was given a bath, I wore a surgical gown. Same way the second we can see. Okay, next is, we'll start with in-text question, that is marginal questions. First one is, why did doctors begin to use anesthesia? Doctor could not cut open the part of the body that was not healthy to remove or set right the part, for the work would involve a lot of pain to the patient. Hence, doctors began to use general or local anesthesia, which benumbs the whole part or part of a body. After this, the surgery could be done without pain to the patients. Okay. Next is, why had cardiac surgery not developed? Cardiac surgery had not developed because doctors did not have modern medical tools and procedures essential for the heart surgery. Okay. Next one is, what had the patient James Cornish suffer from? James Cornish was suffering from a very serious knife wound. The knife had cut an artery less than an inch from his heart and punctured the pericardium, which is the sac around the heart. Okay. Next one is, what kind of cardiac surgery is done nowadays? Nowadays, more advanced techniques are used to deal with heart complication. Open heart surgery, which helps to repair heart defects in heart valves and even replace them, is also performed successfully. Okay. Next is, who do neurosurgeons operate upon and on what body parts? Neurosurgeons treat those who have disorders of the nervous system. They can treat patients of all ages, from the newborn to the elderly, who has suffered a stroke. They operate on the brain, the spine, or the nerves. Okay? What is the Vinci? The Vinci is the world's most advanced surgical robot. Okay. Next, we are going to look upon the workshop. This is the last session. First one is, first surgeon to perform operation, and that is Sushruta. Anesthetic used from mid-19th century, that is ether and chloroform. Next one is, first successful cardiac surgeon, Dr. Williams. A sac around the heart, pericardium. Next one is father of modern neurosurgery, Harvey Cushing. World's most advanced surgical robot, Da Vinci. The Da Vinci. Okay. Next we are going to check out the master columns. Okay. Let us see if the answers directly. Tooth extraction is removing a decayed tooth. Cardiac is related to heart. Sedative is a substance that makes a person sleep. Tumor is an extra growth in the body. Incision is a cut made for surgery. A control unit for a robotic surgery. 3D is having length, breadth and depth. Cushing clip is a device to stop blood loss in neurosurgery. Okay, so this was a direct answer. Next one is, find in the web with the word related to surgery. Okay, and the answers are, the surgeries, major one is plastic, art surgery, robotic surgery, neurological surgery, cardiac surgery, and the last one is major surgery. Okay, so these are the types of surgery. Next one is, we have to write in 3 to 4 lines about Sushruta Samhita. It is thought that Sushruta was probably the first surgeon to perform surgery operation, and the Sushruta Samhita is one of the oldest work in the world that deals with surgery. Okay. Next one is first cardiac surgery. The first cardiac surgery was done by Dr. William. A patient, James Cornish, was suffering from a very serious knife wound, and the knife had cut an artery less than an inch from the heart. It has punctured the pericardium. Dr. William and 6 staff doctors performed a complicated and daring operation and repaired the heart. This became the first successful cardiac surgery. Okay, next one is first neurosurgeon. Harvey Cushing was the first neurosurgeon, and it is considered to be the father of modern neurological surgery. In the early part of 20th century, he developed basic techniques and instruments for operating on the brain. Cushing reduced the mortality rate for neurosurgery from 90% to 10%. By 1937, when he retired, he successfully completed 2,000 tumors. One of the most significant achievements was development of method to stem blood loss by inventing a clip called silver clip or the Cushing clips. Okay. Next one is the robotic surgery. Robotic surgery is a type of minimal invasive surgery. Use is made up of miniature surgical instrument that fits through quarter-inch incision. Robotic surgery gives the surgeon a 3D view of operating sites. Every movement he makes with the master control is replicated accurately by the robot. When necessary, the surgeons can even change the scale of the robot's movement. Surgeons can use this technology to perform complex surgical procedures. Okay. Next one is we have to look after the positive, comparative and superlative degree. Let us see the answers of it. Old, older, oldest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Near, nearer, nearest. Fine, finer, finest. Early, earlier, earliest. Small, smaller, smallest. Fast, faster, fastest. Last one is high, higher, highest. Okay. Next one is, so here we can write according to positive, comparative and superlative. Next is we have to find out only the comparative and superlative forms. Okay, somewhere more and most is applicable. Let us begin with the answer. See, these are certain positive things in which we cannot add er or est. Here we have to add more and most. So ancient is more ancient, most ancient. Special, more special, most special. More significant, more significant. More advanced, most advanced. And last one is more accurate and most accurate. So most accurate. Okay. Here we have to join the sentence by coordinator but, or, so and. Let us begin first. One, there was lack of technology so major surgery could not develop for centuries. Cardiac surgery was tried in the past, but patients did not survive. He placed his finger into the master control and operate all four arms of the Vinci. Open heart surgery can help to repair heart valves or replace them. Heart patients were treated with sedative but did not survive. This procedure can be performed through very small incision, so our patient experience a number of benefits. Okay. Next one is, here they have given us, write in your notebook about the things which we can write. It is about the dialogue writing. Let us begin with the dialogue writing. That is, secretary, good morning, this is wellness clinic, how can I help you? Myself, good morning, I am Neha. Hi, I would like an appointment with Dr. Iyer. I am an old patient. Secretary, oh hello Neha. Yes, of course. When would you like to get an appointment for? Myself, as soon as possible, ma'am. Secretary, I can fit you in tomorrow. What time tomorrow? Can you come in at 11 o'clock tomorrow? No, I'm sorry, I have to attend some extra class. Can you give me an appointment in the evening? 6 p.m. Oh yes, that will be fine. Thank you. Anytime, Neha. Good night. Good night. So this type of dialogue writing you can write. Thank you, children.